Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today we are going to be learning how to block invites from strangers in PUBG Mobile. If you want to block invites from strangers in PUBG, then the process is quite easy. Launch open your PUBG application on your device and go to the bottom right corner from the home screen and tap on the arrow button. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Social at the bottom right, and then from the Privacy and Social tab, make sure you're inside Privacy and then scroll down and look for the Accept Team Invites from Strangers option and make sure that you switch that off by tapping on Off. Make sure the Off option is selected here, and once you do that, you can head back to the lobby screen and you have blocked invites from strangers in PUBG. Now, just like that, you have disabled the team invites. You will not receive any kind of random invites or spam in the game whatsoever from now on. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.